This is the life, Paula.
I know, Kim. Being a broadcast celebrity is a rough life. Hey, why don't we share a little of our good fortune with some of our fans?
Great idea. B106 and WNDS can co-sponsor a huge all-you-can-eat party.
I can see it now. We'll have it right here at Greeley Park in Nashua. There'll be burgers, games, balloons. I can see a dunking booth, wet disc jockeys,
Al Caprillion, a CD toss, T-shirt giveaways, and a WNDS trouncing B106 in the volleyball challenge.
In your dreams, Carson.
It'll be your nightmare, Stone.